Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley Davidson Freewheeler. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. The 2016 Harley Davidson Freewheeler with 42,034 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and reverse. It's been upgraded with an LED headlight, LED front turn signals, an open stage 1 intake, grips, a luggage rack, and a primary cover. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Freewheeler puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Freewheeler has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 27.5 inch seat height and a 1,131 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the Trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, the rear left tire at 4/30 seconds, and the rear right at 6/30 seconds. We took this Trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this Trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this Trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This Trike has 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This Trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.